How to solve Telegram? You can only send messages to the mutual contacts at the moment. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and search for Telegram. Now tap on Telegram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Go to app management and search for Telegram. Tap on the search bar and type Telegram. Now click on Telegram, tap on force stop and go to storage uses. Now tap on clear cache and go back to the home screen. Now restart the application. If nothing solves the issue, open up Telegram on your device. Now tap on the three lines and go to settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on ask a question. Now click on ask a volunteer. Now tap on start. Now click on I want to report a problem. Now select I have a problem with my account. Now click on I can't send messages. Now type on yes and click on send. Now write I am not able to send message at the moment. Now after typing, click on send. Now wait for some time until volunteer team contacts you regarding the issue. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.